As Narendranath Datta, or Naren, continued his quest for spiritual knowledge during his college years, he often questioned religious beliefs and sought tangible experiences of the divine. Despite his exposure to Western philosophy and rational thinking, Naren was deeply interested in understanding the mysteries of life and the nature of God. In 1881, Naren's spiritual journey took a significant turn. One of his professors at the Scottish Church College in Kolkata encouraged him to meet Sri Ramakrishna, a mystic priest at the Dakshineshwar Kali temple, renowned for his spiritual experiences and teachings. Initially skeptical, Naren decided to visit Ramakrishna to explore his own doubts and questions. Upon meeting Ramakrishna, Naren directly asked him the burning question that had occupied his mind: "Sir, have you seen God?" Unlike others who gave theoretical answers, Ramakrishna responded with conviction, "Yes, I have seen God. I see him as clearly as I see you, only in a much deeper sense." This straightforward and profound answer left a lasting impression on Naren. Ramakrishna's genuine spirituality and unorthodox teachings intrigued Naren. Despite his initial skepticism, Naren began visiting Dakshineshwar more frequently. Ramakrishna recognized Naren's potential and began to nurture his spiritual growth. Under Ramakrishna's guidance, Naren experienced various states of higher consciousness and began to understand the essence of divine love and unity. One day, during a visit, Ramakrishna took Naren into a deep state of meditation. Naren experienced an overwhelming sense of peace and oneness with the universe. This experience convinced him of the truth behind Ramakrishna's teachings and the reality of spiritual experiences beyond the physical realm. Naren's relationship with Ramakrishna deepened over time, transforming from curiosity to devotion. He spent hours discussing spiritual truths, practicing meditation, and learning about the different paths to realizing God. Ramakrishna taught him that all religions are valid paths to the same ultimate truth and emphasized the importance of experiencing God directly rather than merely accepting dogmas. Ramakrishna also encouraged Naren to embrace the idea of serving humanity as a form of worship. He believed that by helping others and seeing the divine in every individual, one could attain spiritual fulfillment. This philosophy resonated deeply with Naren and shaped his future mission. Under Ramakrishna's mentorship, Naren gradually evolved from a seeker of knowledge to a spiritual leader. Ramakrishna's influence laid the foundation for Naren's future role as Swami Vivekananda, a monk who would carry the message of Vedanta and universal brotherhood to the world. The transformative period with Ramakrishna prepared Naren for his life's mission. He learned the importance of spiritual practice, the unity of all religions, and the need to serve humanity selflessly. This phase of his life was crucial in shaping his future endeavors and the legacy he would leave behind.